Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade hair gel for boys. First, combine 1/4 cup of flax seeds with 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. The liquid should thicken to a gel-like consistency. To customize your gel, you can add essential oils like lavender or tea tree for a fresh scent and scalp benefits. For a stronger hold, use slightly more flax seeds, or for a lighter hold, use less. You can also mix in 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel for extra conditioning and shine. When applying, start with a small, pea-sized amount on damp or dry hair, then add more if needed to achieve your desired style. For storage, transfer your cooled gel into a clean, airtight container. Keep it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks. If your gel turns out too thick, simply add 1 teaspoon of water and mix well until it reaches your preferred consistency. Conversely, if it's too runny for a strong hold, you can gently reheat it for a few more minutes to evaporate some water. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This helps support the channel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.